practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Ordering dinner at a restaurant. Conversation between customer Lily and waiter Tom. I'll play the role of Lily and you'll play the role of Tom. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start. Excuse me, can I have a menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like to start with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please.
Lemonade, got it. Have you decided on your meal? Or would you like a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of mashed potatoes.
Great choice. Anything else with that?
No, that's all for now, thanks.
All right. I'll be back with your lemonade and the food will be ready soon.
Thank you, and could you make sure the chicken is extra crispy?
Absolutely. I'll let the chef know. Enjoy your meal.
Now, it's time for you to practice. I'll read the lines of the Lily, and you'll play the role of the Tom. Get ready. Excuse me, can I have a menu, please? Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please. I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with a side of mashed potatoes. No, that's all for now, thanks. Thank you, and could you make sure the chicken is extra crispy? Great job. Keep practicing this conversation a few more times until you feel confident. And remember, speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.